everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing, except this month is their first Boxyluxe box that came out. This is bigger than my head. There is so many products in here. And yeah, so if you guys want to see what I got in my Boxycharm Boxyluxe and just a little information about it, then please keep watching. So a little information about Boxyluxe. So you get it every 3 months and it's additional $28.99 with your regular $21 a month. So it comes to like a total of $50 a month, but it's every 3 months. So September was its first box, so October and November will be the regular $21 a month, and I believe December will be another Boxyluxe. First thing it is in here, it's the Tarte Cosmetics Park Ave Princess Shizzle palette. So it is a bronzer palette, and I wanted this for so long, and this retails for $45. So the box is $50. This one product is almost the exact thing that you paid. The next thing we got is by Smashbox, and it is their limited edition photo finish primer water, and this retails for $32. I believe this is the collab with Nicole Concilio. I actually never went to go get it just because I have so many primer waters and setting sprays, but this is amazing, $32. So these two products is more than what you paid for the box already. The next thing we got is by Juice Beauty. It's their Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. I actually used this before I got it at a sample, and it's a really nice, it's pretty thick actually. This retails for $70. $70. This is more than the box. That's amazing. Yeah, it's an anti-wrinkle moisturizer. I did try a sample of it. I actually really like it. I think it's a nice nighttime moisturizer because it's really thick. And the next thing we got is by this company, and it is their Sunset Glow Oil, and this retails for $35. What exactly is it? This dry, non-sticky formula allows you to experience effortless radiance from sunrise to sunset. I want to open this real quick. I just want to see what exactly it is. Oh my gosh. It's huge. It's like almost the size of my head. Well, I have a big head. So I think it's just a body illuminator. It says for face too. I don't know if I'd put it on my face. It's cute. I like how big it is. And this retails for $35. So they also said that this box is supposed to retail over $300, and I think we're getting there. The next thing we got is by Pretty Vulgar, and it is their It's their Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow palette. It's a gorgeous dark palette. So yeah, I got 2 of these. Okay, so I'm going to put together another box for my next giveaway because there are some doubles in here that I want to include in the giveaway. The next thing we got is by Luxie, and it is a foundation brush. It looks really nice and really soft. I could definitely put this all over for foundation. Palette retails for $35 and the brush retails for $38. The next thing we got is by R&Co. It's Death Valley Dry Shampoo. I actually need dry shampoo. Let's try it out. This retails for $17. I washed my hair yesterday. My hair just gets so oily. My hair feels a little gross, if I'm being a little honest. I like it. It definitely absorbed the oils, but now it feels like really dry, which is mainly the reason why I really don't use dry shampoo anymore. I feel like it just makes my hair feel dry. Sometimes I just let the oils go, you know? The next thing we got is by Violet Voss again. It is a liquid lipstick, and this retails for $12. Cute packaging. Okay, the last 2 items, we got this brush set by Tarte Cosmetics. We also got their palette a couple months ago. And the next thing we got is this little headband. How cute! So if you want to do your makeup or wash your face. So this retails for $4.99 and the brush set retails for $18. Oh, we also got this Boxycharm tote. It says, that is so cute. I love, like, like, I'm excited for this. Like, little things like this make me happy. Okay, so this retails for $335. So I paid $50 for this box, and I got a total of over things are falling like this. I got a total of over $300 worth of stuff, and it's not just like products that they say, oh, worth over $300, blah blah blah. It's like high-end products. Like, you got Tarte, Smashbox, you got Juice Beauty, these are high-end products. So I totally think this is 100% worth it. That's like, things like this make me excited. Like, saving money and getting more for your money is what makes me so happy, and like, I totally think it's worth it. Again, I follow this page called Subscription Addiction that you can follow, and then she lets you know spoilers. So if there's stuff that you don't like, you can always cancel before you get charged, and she always posts spoilers about it. So yeah, that is everything I got from September's Boxycharm Boxyluxe first box ever. I personally really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. And you can turn on post notifications, that way you get notified every time I post. I post almost 3 to 4 videos a week. Last week I think I posted 5 videos, so make sure you guys are subscribed. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video.